Hello my dear students, I welcome you all for the question number 15 and question number 16 of exercise 2.5. Definitely this is going to be the last lecture, I suppose. Yes. I was wondering, do we have something on the other side? Do we have? No, 15, 16 are the last questions. Yes, they are the last questions. So considering this, what are they asking us is that give the possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles. See, basically what they are asking is, these are the expressions of the following rectangle. Like rectangle is there whose area is given to us. So what are the possible expressions for the length and breadth? Means what are the possible length and breadth? So basically here see, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Basically this is the formula for length into breadth, but they have given area of rectangle is equal to this 25a square minus 35a plus 12. First thing that you should do is that, do you have any common factor among this? 3. 25, 35 you can have 5, but then 12 में 5 नहीं है, so that's okay. Now you will have to split the middle term. We know the factorization we have done. This drawing I am drawing over here for your sake, but you are not supposed to draw this. 25, when you have to go to factorize that, first thing what you will do, you will multiply 25 to 12. The product is, and with the sign, 25 into 12, 12 5s are 60, 12 to the 24 plus 6, 300 is the product. Now I have to find a number, two numbers whose addition and subtraction, addition or subtraction will be 300. For that what I do, it will be 35, not 300. I will have to two 150s are factorizing this, 2 75s are 3 25s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. So take out something that will give me 35 as addition or subtraction. So what do I do over here? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15. Yes, एक झटके में आ गया. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20 and then 3 5s are 15. So 20 and 15 can give me 35. So split will be what? 20 and 15 is the split. Now I have to give the sign. This sign of the middle term will go to the greater number. The greater number is 20, so minus 20. And because I want to add them up, so this has to be minus. Now verification, minus 20 into minus 50, if I multiply, definitely I will get 300, minus minus plus 300. This is right. So my split is right split. So what I will do over here, I will write (25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12). So this will be equal to area of rectangle. If I take out common factor from here, I will get a is a common factor and 5a. So inside 5, 5s are 25, a will get cancelled, 1a will stay, minus 5, 4s are 20, a and b will get cancelled, minus, out of here 3 will go out as a common factor. Remember, minus has gone outside, this plus will become minus. 3 5s are 15, a plus will become minus, 3 4s are. So 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4 will be again a common factor, and what stays inside is 5a minus 3. This is that what I have done. So we know area of rectangle now in factor terms, it is 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. Whereas we know area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So either length will be 5a minus 4, then breadth will be 5a minus 3, or length will be 5a minus 3, then breadth will be 5a minus 4. So these are possible. Therefore comparing 1 and 2. Possible expressions for length and breadth are 5a minus 4 comma 5a minus 3. Anything. If length is 5a minus 4, breadth will be 5a minus 3. If length is 5a minus 3, breadth will be 5a minus 4. Finished. So second question also will be going in the same fashion. In second question they are giving area is equal to 35y square. This is by formula you know, but they have given you area of rectangle is equal to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. So again I will do the same old thing. 35 into 12 I will have to take product is equal to 35 into minus 12. Remember there is a minus sign over here. Minus 12 5s are 60, 12 3s are 36 plus 6, 420. So I have to split this. So for that 420 I will have to factorize, split, so that the addition and subtraction should be 13. 2 210s are 2, 105s are 3, 35s are 5, 7s are 7 1s are. Now I want 13 over here. That's different. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20, 7 3s are 21. Now 13 are like that. Then 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and 35. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and 5 7s are 35. That was that simple. So 12, and if you will take this split, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and 5 7s are 35. If I subtract them, 35 minus 12, oh, no, nah, ये तो बड़ा आ रहा है. No, this also is not right. 23 आ रहा है वो तो. I want 13 only. So change this. What is the arrangement? 2 2 into 5 into 7. So going to change this. What can be the other one? 2 3s are 6. 5 take 2 3s are 6. 5s are 30. 7 2s are 40. This also will not give. What is this? अभी नहीं आ रहा है जल्दी. 2 2s are 4. 7s are 28. 5 3s are 15. Finally, see this, 2 2s are 4, 7s are 28, then 5 3s are 15 in another one. So that is 28 and 15. I'll multiply this, I'll definitely get 420. I'll subtract them, I'll get 13. Fine. And then I will assign signs. So for assigning sign, this sign will go to the greater number, plus I want them to be subtracted, so this has to be minus, then only I'll get 13. So if I multiply this, plus minus minus 420, this is right. So I get area of rectangle is equal to 35y square. Should I write 28 first, or no, I'll write 28 afterwards. Minus 15y plus 28y minus 12. This will become Here I will take out common factor 5y, 7y minus 3 plus, here the common factor will be 4, 7y minus 3. So I get over here 7y minus 3 in one bracket, 5y plus 4 in another bracket. So this is my 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Possible expressions for length and breadth of rectangle R. What? 7y minus 3 or 5y plus 4. Okay, my dear students, with this we have finished. Where is that? Here it is. Searching there. Question number 15 we have finished. And the last question, finally we are heading towards the last question. 2.5 खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. Very lengthy exercise, my dear students. Question number 16. Now they are asking here, अभी एरिया से दिल ने भरा तो वॉल्यूम पे आ गए. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of a cuboid whose volumes are given? The cuboid, basically the volume of a cuboid is what? Length into breadth into height. That means we have to factorize this in such a way that we get 3 factors. 1 multiplied by multiplied by multiplied means factor 1 into factor 2 into factor 3. So this is what is given to us, 3x square minus 12x. This is 1 and this is given. First thing, always do see whether you can take out a common factor. So definitely if I take out a common factor, 3x is the common factor. That's over. X, 3 cancel x, minus x cancel 4. That is over. So comparing, see 1, 2, 3. Comparing 1 and 2. Possible expressions for length, breadth and height of cuboid are what? 3x, x minus 4. If length is 3, breadth is height, breadth is x, height will be x minus 4. Or if length is 3, height will be x, breadth will be x minus. They will keep on exchanging in any way. Okay, my dear student, this was very easy. I'm going to the second question. Here also volume of a cuboid you have to find, but first you will write volume of cuboid by formula is length into breadth into height. This is 1. And what they have given is volume of cuboid 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Again, do you have common factor? Yes, see here, k to is definitely there. And among the numbers, 12 can be divided by largest number, that is 4. 4, 4, 4. So I have 4k as a common factor. K is gone. 4 3s are 12, y square plus 4 2s are 8, y. And then 4 5s are 20, k is gone outside, right? I hope you are getting this. See, everything you have to divide these by the common factor. 12ky square, I will divide by common factor 4k. K is gone. 4 3s are 12, 3y square, 3y square. Second is 8ky, I will divide by common factor 4k. 4 2s are k is gone, 2y. And the third one is 20k divided by common factor 4k. K is gone, and then 5. Fine. So like this we reached over here, and now we have to split this. This will be continuing. 4 k. If I multiply, product is, now by now you all should be champion of this. Product is 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. You want 2, 3 and 5. You can see the split. Split is 3 and 5 themselves, because 5 minus 3 will give you the middle term 2. But then you have to assign sign. The sign of the middle term will go to the greater number. And now you want them to subtract, the minus. If I multiply this, minus 3 into 5 will give me minus 15. So that's all. So, but which one should I write first? Minus 3, yes, I'll write that first. So 3y square minus 3y plus 5y minus 15. That will be 4k into, here the common factors will be 3y, only y stays, minus 1 plus 5 y, oh 15 कहाँ से आ गया, minus 1. Fine. So that is equal to 4k into 3y plus 5 y minus 1. This is 5 over here, I wrote 15 over here. Fine. So these are hey, कितना सारा टर्म आ गया. Okay, so this will be one term, 4k, second term, third term. Comparing 1 and 2. Possible expressions for length, breadth and height are 4k, 3y plus 5 and y minus 1. That is all. So finally we have completed with this exercise 2.5, the most lengthy of all. I don't know but whether your school will complete it or will omit something of this, but whatever said and done, we have done it, and we have done it nicely. So my dear students, practice this nicely. Soon we will keep test on this. Practice this nicely, my dear students. Take care, stay home, stay safe, most importantly stay happy. Love you all, my dear students. Thank you.